How to change mobile networks access point names on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. From the settings page, go down, then tap on connections. Then in here, go down and tap on mobile networks. After that, tap on access point names. From here, you can choose a different access point names by tapping on the radio box right there. Now the one doesn't have the radio box will not allow you to select it, so simply go down here and select one of the available options. You can also tap on the add button to manually add in a new access point if you have the information provided from your network provider. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.